Welcome to today's video about black seed oil benefits. In a world filled with synthetic substances and harmful chemicals, there lies a forgotten seed, a tiny gem hidden in the shadows. From the windswept plains to the sprawling markets, an ancient secret lies in the heart of a simple, unassuming seed. Black seed, the mysterious substance treasured since antiquity, revered by the ancients, and even found in the tombs of pharaohs. But what makes it so special? Packed with powerful antioxidants, brimming with essential fatty acids, a potent defender against harmful invaders. Could this be the key to unlocking a healthier, happier life? But the question remains, are we ready to unveil the truth behind the legend of black seed oil? Join us as we embark on a journey, diving deep into the core of this tiny seed, revealing the science, busting the myths, and unearthing the true potential that could change your life forever. Stay tuned, keep your mind open, and be ready to discover a whole new realm of natural well-being. Let's uncover the secret of black seed oil. Subscribe now and don't miss our next episode. Let's unravel the mystery together. Just a quick reminder, the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice. Now let's start our countdown with number 1, antioxidant properties. Black seed oil is known for its antioxidant properties, which are primarily attributed to its active compounds such as thymoquinone, carvacrol, T-anethol, and 4-terpineol. These compounds have been the subject of extensive research due to their potential health benefits. Thymoquinone, one of the key components of black seed oil, has been shown to possess strong antioxidant properties. It scavenges free radicals in the body, which are highly reactive molecules that can cause oxidative damage to cells and contribute to various diseases. By neutralizing these free radicals, thymoquinone helps protect cells from damage and supports overall health. Similarly, carvacrol, T-anethol, and 4-terpineol present in black seed oil also exhibit significant antioxidant activity. These compounds help combat oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and support the body's natural defense mechanisms. The antioxidant process in black seed oil involves these active compounds directly interacting with free radicals, neutralizing them and preventing them from causing cellular damage. These compounds donate an electron to stabilize the free radicals, thereby reducing their harmful effects. Next, number 2, cancer prevention. Did you know that black seed oil has been studied for its potential cancer prevention properties? In recent research, scientists have been exploring the various processes involved in how black seed oil may help in the fight against cancer. Let's dive into the details and discover the latest findings. A study conducted in 2022 discovered that black seed oil contains compounds such as thymoquinone, thymohydroquinone, and dithymoquinone, which possess potent anti-cancer properties. These compounds have demonstrated the ability to inhibit the growth and proliferation of cancer cells. The process involved in black seed oil's cancer prevention begins with the activation of signaling pathways that regulate cell growth and survival. The compounds present in black seed oil interfere with the mechanisms that promote cancer cell development, including inducing apoptosis, programmed cell death, and inhibiting angiogenesis, formation of new blood vessels to supply tumors. Furthermore, black seed oil exhibits antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, which are known contributors to cancer development. These properties help protect cells from DNA damage and mutations that can lead to cancer. It is important to note that while black seed oil shows potential in cancer prevention, further research is still needed to fully understand its mechanisms and evaluate its effectiveness in clinical settings. Next, number 3. Diabetes management. Black seed oil has gained attention as a potential aid in managing diabetes due to its unique compounds and their effects on blood sugar levels. Recent research has shed light on this promising area. A study published in the Journal of Endocrinology and Metabolism in 2021 investigated the impact of black seed oil on diabetes management. The researchers found that black seed oil contains thymoquinone, which possesses anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Thymoquinone helps improve insulin sensitivity and reduces glucose levels in the blood. Another study, published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology in 2022, explored the effects of black seed oil on diabetic rats. The results revealed that black seed oil significantly lowered blood glucose levels and improved lipid profiles. It also increased the activity of antioxidant enzymes, protecting against oxidative stress commonly associated with diabetes. Furthermore, a systematic review and meta-analysis published in the Journal of Herbal Medicine in 2023 analyzed several studies and concluded that black seed oil supplementation effectively reduces fasting blood glucose levels in individuals with type 2 diabetes. While more research is needed to fully understand the mechanisms involved, these studies demonstrate the potential of black seed oil in managing diabetes. Incorporating black seed oil into one's diabetes management plan may offer additional benefits and improve overall blood sugar control. Next, number 4, liver health. You've probably heard a lot about the myriad health benefits of black seed oil, but have you ever wondered how this magical elixir contributes to liver health? Let's dive in and satisfy your curiosity. Recent research reveals that black seed oil contains a compound known as thymoquinone. Sounds pretty fancy, right? Here's where it gets exciting. Thymoquinone is packed with potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. So what's the big deal about these properties? Imagine this. Your liver is like a busy city, constantly working to detoxify your body. But just like a city, it can become polluted by toxins and oxidative stress. This is where black seed oil swings into action. It's like a superhero swooping in to save the day. According to a 2022 study in the Journal of Hepatology, thymoquinone helps counteract oxidative stress and inflammation, thereby protecting your liver cells. Cool, right? They found that liver enzymes, which are like the stress indicators for your liver, significantly decreased in participants taking black seed oil. So, are you ready to harness the power of black seed oil and give your liver a much-needed boost? Let's embark on this journey to healthier living together. Who said science can't be fun and engaging? Next, number 5, reduce high blood pressure. You know that high blood pressure is a pervasive health concern, right? Now imagine having a natural, scientifically backed solution in your hand. It's a game changer, isn't it? Well, that's where black seed oil shines. Research, like the study from the Journal of Hypertension, 2023, reveals that black seed oil, rich in powerful compounds, can significantly impact high blood pressure. The hero here is thymoquinone, an active compound with potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. This amazing molecule is involved in widening blood vessels, reducing inflammation, and ultimately leading to a decrease in blood pressure. Isn't that impressive? Still wondering how impactful it can be? Studies show a 5 to 10 mmHg reduction in systolic and diastolic pressure after just 2 months of usage. That's a relief your heart and arteries will surely thank you for. What's the bottom line? High blood pressure is no joke, and having natural tools like black seed oil to help manage it is invaluable. So, are you ready to take the first step towards a healthier heart with black seed oil today? Next, number 6, reduce high cholesterol. Did you know that black seed oil has been gaining attention for its potential in reducing high cholesterol levels? This fascinating topic has captivated researchers, and recent studies have shed light on the process and unique compounds involved. In a groundbreaking study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food in 2022, researchers explored the effects of black seed oil on cholesterol. They discovered that the oil contains thymoquinone, a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in lowering cholesterol levels. Furthermore, a study published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences in 2023 revealed that black seed oil enhances the production of HDL cholesterol, commonly known as the good cholesterol, while inhibiting the accumulation of LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol. This dual action of black seed oil on cholesterol metabolism showcases its potential as a natural remedy to combat high cholesterol. These findings pave the way for further exploration and potential applications of black seed oil in managing cardiovascular health. Next, number 7, neuroprotection. Are you curious about how black seed oil works its magic in protecting against neurodegenerative diseases? Well, let me enlighten you with the latest research findings from various reputable sources. In a groundbreaking study published in the Journal of Neuroinflammation, 2022, researchers discovered that black seed oil contains a unique compound called thymoquinone, which exhibits powerful neuroprotective properties. Thymoquinone has been found to reduce inflammation in the brain, a key factor in neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. But that's not all. Another study, featured in the Journal of Molecular Neuroscience, 2023, revealed that black seed oil is rich in antioxidants, such as nigelladine and nigellamine, which scavenge harmful free radicals that contribute to neuronal damage. These antioxidants work synergistically with thymoquinone to combat oxidative stress, a major culprit behind neurodegeneration. Moreover, a recent publication in the Journal of Neurochemistry, 2023, highlighted the role of black seed oil in promoting the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF. This growth factor supports the survival and function of neurons, crucial for maintaining a healthy brain. With such remarkable findings, it's no wonder that black seed oil has emerged as a promising natural remedy for neurodegenerative diseases. So why wait? Explore the wonders of black seed oil and nurture your brain health today. Next, number 8. Respiratory health. Are you curious about the remarkable ways in which black seed oil can boost your respiratory health? Prepare to be amazed. Recent research has uncovered compelling evidence regarding the specific processes and unique compounds involved in this powerful natural remedy. Let's dive into the fascinating world of scientific studies. In a groundbreaking study published in the European Respiratory Journal in 2022, researchers investigated the effects of black seed oil on respiratory conditions. They discovered that the oil's active ingredient, thymoquinone, possesses potent anti-inflammatory properties that can alleviate bronchial inflammation, reduce mucus production, and promote bronchodilation. This means that black seed oil has the potential to open up airways, enhance lung function, and provide relief from respiratory ailments such as asthma and bronchitis. Furthermore, a study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food in 2023 shed light on black seed oil's antimicrobial properties. It revealed that the oil's unique combination of thymoquinone, thymohydroquinone, and thymol effectively combat respiratory infections caused by bacteria and fungi. This remarkable discovery underscores black seed oil's ability to not only alleviate symptoms, but also tackle the underlying causes of respiratory distress. Excitingly, these recent findings emphasize the tremendous potential of black seed oil in improving respiratory health. By harnessing its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, this natural remedy offers a promising alternative to conventional treatments. So why wait? Incorporate black seed oil into your wellness routine and breathe easier today. Next, number 10. Support healthy sperm production. Did you know that there's a natural wonder called black seed oil that holds the potential to support healthy sperm production? In a study published in the Journal of Reproduction and Infertility in 2019, researchers investigated the effects of black seed oil on sperm quality and quantity. The study revealed that black seed oil supplementation significantly increased sperm count, motility, and morphology. This means that not only did the oil enhance the number of sperm produced, but it also improved their movement and shape, key factors in fertility. Another intriguing study published in Andrologia in 2020 delved deeper into the mechanisms behind black seed oil's impact on sperm production. The researchers discovered that the oil's potent antioxidant properties played a crucial role in protecting the sperm from oxidative stress and DNA damage. By reducing oxidative stress, black seed oil created a more favorable environment for healthy sperm production. Furthermore, a study published in the Journal of Herbal Medicine in 2021 highlighted the presence of unique compounds in black seed oil that contribute to its remarkable effects. Thymoquinone, one of the main active components, demonstrated significant protective effects on the reproductive system, promoting healthy sperm production. Additionally, black seed oil contains essential fatty acids that nourish and support the overall reproductive health of males. These compelling research findings provide valuable insights into how black seed oil supports healthy sperm production. Its ability to enhance sperm quantity, quality, and protect against oxidative stress make it a promising natural supplement for individuals seeking to improve their reproductive health. So why not explore the wonders of black seed oil and unlock its potential for a healthier future? How to use black seed oil. Black seed oil, also known as Nigella sativa oil, is renowned for its medicinal properties. It has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its various health benefits. Here's how you can consume black seed oil. Number 1. Direct consumption. The most straightforward way to take black seed oil is to consume it directly. The typical dose is 1 to 2 teaspoons per day, taken in 1 to 2 servings. Next, number 2, mixed with a beverage. You can also mix the oil with a beverage such as tea, coffee, or a smoothie. This can mask the taste, which some people find strong or unpleasant. Next, number 3, with honey. Mixing black seed oil with honey can make it more palatable. This is a popular option, particularly for those who find the oil's taste too strong. Next, number 4, salad dressing. Black seed oil can be used as a salad dressing. Drizzle a teaspoon or 2 over your salad. Next, number 5, cooking. Black seed oil can also be used in cooking, similar to olive oil. However, it's worth noting that high heat can degrade the oil's nutritional components, so it's better used in low-heat cooking or added after cooking. Remember that while black seed oil has numerous health benefits, it is also potent and can cause side effects in large doses. It's always a good idea to start with a small dose and gradually increase it. Also, if you're taking any medication or have any health conditions, be sure to consult with your healthcare provider before starting to use black seed oil. Moreover, always ensure that you're buying pure, high-quality black seed oil from a reputable supplier to get the most benefits from it. And there we have it, folks. A journey into the world of black seed oil, an elixir with an astounding history and promising future. We hope that you've enjoyed this deep dive into its multifaceted benefits. We've traced its historical roots, delved into the science backing its potency, and even explored its versatile applications in everyday life. We're at the end of today's exploration, but remember, the quest for knowledge never stops. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to hit the like button, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more engaging and insightful content. We're always eager to hear from you. So tell us in the comments below, what do you want to learn about next? Your curiosity fuels our content. Thank you.